Hi guys.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lolly and Marky Show. I'm not sure if this is for you guys or just for us, but we're doing a little reminisce because we came here
10 years.
10 years ago. We're in New York, and we had a fabulous night down the New York Strip. And we're just going to reminisce. So come along,
So
guys.
this is the Village Street, is it called?
Village.
The Village Street of the Village District in New York.
Is it?
Yeah, never been to New York, but I believe that's what it's saying. Anyway, let's turn around and take you on a little tour. Right then, guys. We've got that up there. Nice bit of neon lights. What's that called? The bar at
Were we down
Square.
that strip? Oh no, we'll walk down and then up again.
I think it's just all over, isn't it? Chin chins. But it really is cool. We went to a place. There you go. That Julian, the pianos.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah.
Julian pianos. We
So
had
that's-
such an amazing time, and we actually lost the video.
Yeah, I did.
We met so many amazing people that night.
Yeah. Just one thing I'll point out to you now. Happy hours are everywhere, but mid-afternoon, 3 till 4.
You can
2
have a
till
pizza
4.
and a
Oh,
beer.
that's
where
what
you had the best pizza ever.
And we sat out here.
We did. Oh
Yeah.
wow. Oh,
So what's this called? This is
it's called Sirocco's.
Sizzlers.
Sirocco.
Oh, Sirocco. Sorry, babe.
Yeah, you were right with Village Street. If you come around here, you'll see the guys making it.
Yeah.
That was a fabulous night we had
It
as well,
was, wasn't
wasn't
it?
it? Oh my good God.
Look at that.
If you're vegetarian, look away right now.
Look at that for a bit of meat in the steakhouse. And you got these everywhere. The streets, the pavement, the floor pavement. Isn't that great? Isn't that cool? I wonder if anyone's in.
Shall I sit here on like New Yorkish?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, New York quite hard, aren't you? So what would I say?
Something
What
like
would
that,
I say? I'm trying to think of something New Yorky to say. You want a pizza?
Yeah.
No.
What are you looking at?
Who are you looking at?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You looking at me?
You looking at me? I don't
What was
know.
that accent?
Sorry guys, if you're from New York, I apologise.
Well, this is cool though, isn't it? So here's the steakhouse itself with the meat. Look at the architecture at the top, babe.
I hope the camera catches it all. It's amazing,
Yeah.
isn't it?
I mean, oh, look at the Guinness sign. Oh, look at the mailbox. You got a lot of me just saying, look at this, look
Bike
at
lane only.
this. Mike's TV repairs. Just a sign says there. Dancing. Look at that dancing sign.
Staying
Seen
alive,
the fire
staying
escapes.
alive. So you feel like, should we do a bit of Miami Vice? And because that's in Miami. I feel like I need to get the ladder, run off, chase the bad
Yeah,
guy.
you got to run across the thing. You got to be doing a bit of Godfather, isn't it?
Yeah, roll over, get back up again.
Let's see where else. This is a cool place, this, isn't it, darling?
Yeah.
I mean, I've got to admit, last time we were here, we were hammered, weren't we? And we just, last time we were hammered. Oh, so it's Great American Masquerade.
Where do you want to go?
No, I'm just looking at
You
everything.
seen the little street there? People have just
Oh,
found
isn't
the
that
little
cool?
cool street.
Yeah, isn't that cool though? I mean, it's a little like
That looks like
Restaurant
Gotham
there.
City.
that. That's cool. That looks like what?
Gotham City.
Oh, yeah. All we need is Batman.
The big Pepsi can up there.
Wow, yeah, huge. Look at these houses though. You got thing there. That cool, that babe. Do you want Anton's fish
it's just
fry?
fab, isn't it?
I don't remember it being
You
this
think
big.
you're outside, don't you?
Oh, you seen that?
Which? Porkies.
Porkies, yeah.
You squeal like a pig.
I can't. I'm gonna have to go closer because it doesn't make out on the phone, on the camera, I should say. Well, Broadway Burger Bar. Look at this piggy. Oh my! That cool, babe. Wow, look at that for an entrance and a half.
That's nice, isn't it?
Show tickets. Lucky Pig, $6 bills. Not bad, is it?
Well, the wine will never mind.
Should we go this way, babe? Come back of this house.
I was just going to see what was
Oh,
out
go on
here.
then. So there's the theatre for the Mad Apple, which is another Cirque du Soleil show. This is absolute. Look at that little picture. I'm loving all this. Oh, quirky song. Clams. Come and get your clams.
Get that fuzzy feeling.
We haven't seen any of the friends, have we? Where are they? Are they New York?
Central Park.
Yeah. I mean, some of these bars are lovely. So, Margaret, yeah, happy hour here, 2 till 4. But only Monday to Thursday, so you have to just check where your happy hours are. And then back to Times Square. Tom's Watch Bar. That's cool, isn't it? So, that's MGM. No, it's not. Which hotel we're in?
We're in New York, New York.
Morning. Right, okay, I'll just turn you around.
And that, folks,
Hang on.
if you stand me here.
Okay.
Right, guys, and that is a wrap. This is New York Hotel. Get yourself down here. Absolutely fabulous. You're guaranteed to have an amazing time. Come along with Lolly and Marky. Get yourself down here. Enjoy yourself to us. It's okay.
Okay.
Come on. It's a wrap.